Hi, my name is Michelle. Today is my last visit at Dr. Beyer Natural Health Solutions. So I'm not somebody who regularly enjoys giving reviews on things. So for me to say that Dr. Beyer and Alexa drastically improved my quality of life is just really not an understatement. When I first came to Dr. Beyer, I had pain kind of everywhere in my feet and in my knees and in my other joints, to the point where I could almost not even get out of bed sometimes, or it would be really tough. So to be 29 years old, to have been a former college athlete and just have failing health was just really challenging for me. I could really not walk or stand for long periods of time. I needed help just to climb down a few stairs. But then in addition to the pain, I had other symptoms. I had a lot of difficulty sleeping. I had gained 100 pounds. I lost a lot of hair, had hunger, fatigue, irregular menstrual cycles, anxiety, depression. I mean, it was just a lot going on. And so Dr. Beyer's passion and his knowledge of autoimmune diseases and just his philosophy and his willingness to listen really helped me to trust him. And then Alexa is Dr. Beyer's associate, and she helped to educate me, and she created extremely organized and thorough, easy to follow plans that helped me to just follow through on healing my body and making it less overwhelming, because it was really overwhelming to see all the things that were actually wrong with me. So I almost didn't believe this part, but after 30 days of following their plan, the pain in my feet that I had had for 3 years after seeing podiatrists and all sorts of doctors was almost completely gone after 30 days only. And after those same 30 days, I had lost 30 pounds of inflammation in my body. And after about a year of working with them, I've lost about a total of a little over 100 pounds. And I've eliminated so many of my symptoms: the brain fog, the lethargy, the pain in my body. I've reduced my anxiety and depression. I have a really regular menstrual cycle. And I've been able to even reduce the medication that I was taking for my thyroid. So I would just say, if it hadn't happened to me, I truly would not have believed it. So no words can really express how grateful I am to them for their help. I'm thankful that God brought them into my life, and I would not have made it through these past years without their help and guidance. So thank you very much, Dr. Beyer and Alexa.